Since 2006, Children's Healing Art Project, also known as CHAP, has been bringing the healing power of art to patients and families facing medical challenges. At CHAP, children are known for their creativity, not for their disability, disease, or diagnosis.
My name is Tiffany, and I am mother to Kamie and Keelie. Keelie was 3.5 when she was diagnosed with leukemia, and so we were surprised to be rolled into the oncology ward. I'm not sure I peeked out my head a whole bunch at that point because I was still in shock, but her cancer that time went 2.5 years, and so every time they'd say she wasn't going to be sick, we would end up in the hospital. CHAP was basically what saved my sanity.
My name is Keelie. I'm 9. I was at the hospital and I asked Mom if we could go into the playroom. And we saw these people making art. So we kind of joined in. CHAP is fun and exciting. It means making new friends and expressing your feelings.
CHAP provides Oregon's only in and out of hospital interactive healing arts program. Our innovative and inclusive healing arts programs are provided free of charge to children, teens, and families affected by pediatric illness, disability, or special need. In 2017, we created over 7,200 healing art experiences. Our 7-person team couldn't do what we do without the 613 volunteers who contributed 6,487 hours in 2017.
CHAP brings art when you're in a sticky situation that's not fun. Isolation can be really lonely. So CHAP days were my favorite days. They'd sit and, mold clay, and they were just very imaginative and would do whatever she wanted and then give me things that I could create and have a break from reality.
It inspires people to just have fun and forget about things. It just makes people happy.
To be going through darkness and somebody shines a little light and gives you some hope that there's something else out there besides what's happening right now.
Besides our partner hospitals, OHSU, Shriners Hospital for Children, and Providence St. Vincent's, we also have our outpatient and outreach programs based in our Sellwood studio. CHAP feels strongly about reaching the whole family and keeping art in the patients' lives once they've been discharged from the hospital. That's our spirit, so we always reach out to parents and siblings.
My name is Kamie. I like CHAP because it's really fun and messy, and they let you have a whole bunch of glitter. Usually your parents would say just a little bit of glitter and then that would be perfect. But you guys let us put a whole bunch of glitter.
Just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just don't ignite like a 4th of July.
We're working on an art project today of angels. And we want to thank you for supporting all of our CHAP angels who ease the suffering of children and parents going through very traumatic events. Thank you.